You will have to answer in English with yes or no. Clear?
Okay.
Are you ready for question and session?
Yes, I am ready for question answer session.
Okay, great. Very good. Okay. Do you have fever?
No, I don't have fever.
Do you have headache?
No, I don't have headache.
Do you have English knowledge?
No, yes, I have English knowledge.
Okay. Do you have any disease?
No, I don't have any disease.
Okay. Do you have time to learn English?
Yes, I have time to learn English.
Do you have time to attend class?
Yes, I have time to attend class.
Do you have time to practice at home?
Yes, I have time to practice at home.
Okay. Do you have time to read newspaper?
Yes, I have time to read newspaper.
Okay. Do you have time to do you have time to spend with me?
Yes, I have time to spend with you.
Okay. Do you have time to go to market?
Yes, I have time to go to market.
Do you have time to celebrate birthday?
Yes, I have time to celebrate in birthday.
But-
Celebrate birthday.
do you have time to celebrate a party?
Yes, I have time to celebrate party.
Okay. Do you have time to uh, watch a movie?
Yes, I have time to watch movie.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
How much money do you have?
I have money 5k.
I have 5,000 rupees. Bolo.
I have 5,000k.
Okay. Do you have money to pay fee?
Yes, I have money to pay fee.
Do you have money to pay bill?
Yes, I have money to pay bill.
Okay, so you will have to pay fee after this class.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have money to watch a movie?
Yes, I have money to watch movie.
Okay. Do you have money to survive in Delhi?
Yes, I have money to survive in Delhi.
Do you have money to take admission?
Yes, I have money to take in admission.
Admission. Okay. Do you have money to go to market?
Yes, I have money to go to market.
Okay. Do you have money to do you have money to buy new clothes?
Yes, I have money to buy new clothes.
Do you have any doubt in subject?
No, I don't have any doubt in this question. In subject.
Do you have any doubt in object?
No, I don't have any doubt in object.
Okay. Do you have any doubt in singular noun?
No, I don't have any doubt in singular noun.
Do you have any doubt in plural noun?
No, I don't have any doubt in plural noun.
Okay, Acha. Do you have any doubt in this question?
No, I don't have any doubt in this question.
Do you have any doubt in this answer?
No, I don't have any doubt in this answer.
Answer. Do you have any doubt in this paragraph?
No, I don't have any doubt in this paragraph.
Great. Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have 3 brothers.
Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Okay. Do you have any friend in Noida?
Yes, I have many friends in Noida.
Okay. Do you have car?
Yes, I have car.
Do you have pen and paper?
Yes, I have pen and paper.
Okay. Do you have bike?
Yes, I have bike.
Do you have mobile?
Yes, I have mobile.
Great. Very good, guys. Clap for it.